hair wash plays a vital role in any hair care routine. The kind of products and ingredients you use to wash your locks can have a huge impact on how your hair looks. Sometimes your hair demands more than just cleansing and massaging. In order to keep the hair problems at bay and accelerate hair growth, it is important to add certain natural ingredients into your hair care routine. You can do this by simply adding some natural ingredients to your regular shampoo, and it really is that easy. Today's video discusses some natural ingredients for hair growth. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. 1. Glycerin to restore shine. Other than nourishing and softening your skin, glycerin also has hair improving abilities. It can be easily added to your shampoo to improve textures and restore its shine. Before washing your hair, just add 2 to 3 drops of glycerin to your regular shampoo and apply to your hair as usual. Try this just once a week to get gorgeous and manageable locks. 2. Aloe Vera for dry and dull hair. The benefits of aloe vera for skin and hair are no secret. It has been the ultimate hair care ingredient for ages. It hydrates and softens dry and dull hair, making it look healthy and happy. Add half a teaspoon of freshly scooped aloe vera gel to your shampoo and massage it into your scalp and strands. Wash after a few minutes. Practice this once every week to get better looking shiny hair. 3. Lemon juice to combat dandruff and itchiness. Lemon juice addresses a myriad of hair woes. It is the most natural and easily available natural ingredient that can upgrade your hair washing practice. Just adding a half a teaspoon of lemon juice to your shampoo before washing can combat dandruff, itchy scalp, and restore the natural shine of your strands. 4. Apple cider vinegar to reduce frizz. Frizzy hair can be quite difficult to deal with, but it can be tamed down using this one ingredient for your panetry. Add 3 to 4 drops of apple cider to your shampoo to eliminate frizz and ward off itchiness from the scalp. 5. Rose water for hair growth. Packed with vitamins and minerals, rose water promotes hair growth as it creates environmental for a healthy scalp. Adding 5 drops of pure rose water to your shampoo will balance your hair and scalp pH levels. It will also address other scalp issues caused due to bacteria. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.